Hey there. What we have going on this morning is a supra differential rebuild. We're replacing all the bearings in this differential, and we're going to use solid spacers in the pinion, uh, between the pinion bearings to set up the preload, as opposed to a crush sleeve, which makes the differential a little bit stronger. So we have it all disassembled, everything's out of it. Um, all the races are out. I still have to get the pinion, the big pinion bearing off of here, and then press it all the bearings back on. The solid spacer goes in here instead of the crush sleeve, and it makes the differential a little stronger because the solid spacer doesn't have as much give as a crush sleeve does.